Hello guys, in this video I will show how to fix Lyca mobile no service. First of all, check your network coverage and make sure you're in an area with a stable mobile signal. If you're in a remote or rural location, coverage might be limited. Next, restart your device. A simple reboot often fixes temporary glitches. After that, check your airplane mode from the control panel and ensure it's turned off. You can also try manually selecting your mobile network by going to Settings, Mobile Network on your iPhone or Android device. This can help if your phone isn't connecting automatically. Finally, check your SIM card. Make sure it's properly inserted and not damaged. If you think it might be faulty, try inserting it into another phone to see if the issue continues. That's how you can fix the no service problem on your mobile device. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.